Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best baby lounger that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Boppy. Boppy Nursing Pillow and Positioner is a versatile baby lounger for your baby. You can use it for nursing, bottle feeding, tummy time and sitting. So, it is the best versatile baby lounger available in the market. While babies from birth to 12 months are advised to use it, older infants benefit most from using it during tummy time. Additionally, it provides support for older infants who are beginning to sit alone. The basic cushion shape never changes. However, there are numerous cover variations available. Additionally, for simple cleanup, the pillow and covers may both be washed and dried without harm. Little ones must never sleep on this boppy, even if it makes an excellent prop for adults and children carrying or nursing an infant. According to the manufacturer, boppy pillows are only designed for waking time under adult supervision. This baby lounger is made with polyester and cotton. You can easily wash it in the washing machine. It is easy to remove the boppy cover and pillow while washing. At number 4. Snuggle Me. If you are looking for the best organic baby lounger, then picking the Snuggle Me baby lounger is the best choice. The lounger's outer shell is made entirely of organic cotton. So, it makes the baby lounger safe for the washer and dryer and soft against your baby's skin, while the inner is filled with regular polyester. Although this lounger is safe for infants from newborn to 9 months old, the manufacturer wants to advise parents that it should never be utilized as their baby's the sleeping area. Your baby's safety is carefully considered in the design of the Snuggle Me lounger. While your newborn is relaxing, having tummy time, or sitting up, use the infant lounger to interact with them actively. Our experts adore the concept and caliber of organic baby products created in the USA. Every Snuggle Me, local fillers, and seamstresses make lounger in Minnesota. The fabrics used are organic, non-toxic, airy, and hypoallergenic. Stuffed with polyester fiber filled to make the lounger completely machine washable. At number 3. DHZJM. DHZJM Baby Lounger is the best budget lounger available in the market. The multipurpose newborn lounger by DHZJM is the perfect place for babies to lay down. It is helpful for both indoor and outdoor purposes due to the practical double handle design. It can be utilized on the floor, carpet, living room, and other surfaces all over the home. This infant nest's U-shaped safety ring may be adjusted by loosening or tightening the drawstring to accommodate your baby's shape. It is suitable for infants ranging in age from 0 to 12 months. The infant nest is roughly 31.4 by 19.6 inches in size, weighs about 3.5 pounds, and has a sewn-in handle for convenient portability. Consider including it on your list of baby shower presents, infant necessities, and must-haves for expectant parents. Mat and bumper covering materials make it harder for fluids to soak through it and simplify for you to keep the baby nest. Just wipe it down to disinfect. The brand new hidden zipper makes it simple to remove the coverlet from our baby nest sleeper and toss it in the washing machine. It has 100% breathable, 100% hypoallergenic fiberfill that is Ecotex verified Class 1, keeps your child warm and spares you the concern of an allergic reaction on the baby's delicate skin. To guarantee that the baby lounger satisfies all requirements, the baby loungers are all meticulously made under the watchful eyes of a quality control staff. At number 2. Infantino. If you are looking for the best baby lounger for tummy time, then Infantino Prop-A Pillar Tummy Time is a great choice. This lounger is designed primarily for tummy time for infants from birth and older and is utterly lovely. Simply uncurl it to reveal a variety of color patterns as well as some toys to keep the baby entertained in the center. You can curl the cushion back up and use it as a seat when your baby develops head control and becomes a little stronger. It comes with a stackable pillow, a removable teether, a tummy time pillow, and a soft seat posture aid. This attachable soft but firm stackable support cushions, a detachable BPA-free teether, and plush cloth sunshades to grow and adapt with your child. This set comes packaged in easy-to-wrap packaging for any occasion, such as baby showers, birthdays, Christmas, Easter, and more. At number 1. Cozy Nation. As a new mom, carrying all the baby products while traveling is tough. But Cozy Nation Baby Lounger now makes your travel time manageable. 2 handy handles are included with this compact infant lounger to ensure portability when traveling. Use a changing station, seating support, safe lounging area, tummy time area, and more. The Baby Lounger uses 3D ventilated polyester for the foam filling and 100% airy cloth as the cover sheet. Incredibly soft and breathable fiberfill is used for the bumper. Keeps the infant quiet and relieves parents of allergy concerns for the baby's delicate skin. It adopts a bionic design that resembles arms to give the baby a cozy and calming atmosphere. A 1.6-inch thick mattress offers baby soft cushioning away from the cold and hard floor, while the soft all-around bumper envelopes them and shields them from impacts. This lounger's outer cover comes in various colors and is constructed from a soft, hypoallergenic, and breathable fabric. The base of the loungers and the bumper pillow is soft and comfy, and they are both protected from spills by a waterproof covering. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.